If your Chevy Colorado air vents have stopped blowing, you're likely dealing with a common HVAC blend door or blower motor issue. Statistics show that over 70% of airflow problems in this model year trace back to a simple blend door actuator failure. Let's break down the diagnostic steps to identify exactly which component has quit on you. Start by checking your fuses, listening for clicking behind the dash, and testing if the fan works on all speed settings. The primary suspects are the blend door actuator, the blower motor resistor pack, or a severely clogged cabin air filter. Don't overlook corroded wiring harnesses or a completely seized blower motor unit, which can also cut your airflow entirely. Simple filter or resistor swaps are great DIY tasks, but deep dashboard disassembly for actuator replacement is often better left to a pro. Here is the typical cost breakdown for parts and labor, showing how quickly a simple fix can escalate if the actuator is involved. Advanced diagnostics might require a scanner to read body control codes and a multimeter to check for power at the blower motor. Keep a basic socket set, a bright light, and sturdy gloves on hand to navigate the tight spaces beneath your dashboard safely. Remember to always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components to prevent accidental shorts or any risk of airbag deployment. Start with the easy stuff first, and if you aren't comfortable digging into the dash, don't hesitate to call a professional technician.